Okay, so after like 10 years, I'm gonna try a backsplash in the kitchen for my wife. So I'm making this video because I don't know if anyone else is gonna run into problems like I did, but I want to give a few pointers. This whole back wall here is like what is it? It's like a 1/4 inch press board. So in between the studs, even there's some give to it. So you're supposed to have a good solid surface for tile. I'm doing glass tile. So yeah, I'm gonna be putting the hardy board over all of this here to make the surface better. So anyway, I was thinking, now I have this microwave here, right? And if I put hardy board, which is like almost 1/2 inch, and then tile, which is like that would be 3/4 inch, I'm not gonna be able to get this microwave out of here. So I'm gonna have to pull the microwave and put the hardy board behind that as well. So this wall is also uneven as far as this part here is just painted, and then this part up here has texture, so it's thicker up here than down here. So I'm gonna texture down here as well. Where the backsplash or the stone was, that like that there, I had to pull that out because I'm gonna put the hardy board behind it and then put the stone back on the hardy board. So I'm gonna kind of show you this project as we continue. I just wanted to give a tip. If you're gonna tile, you want something to come across. Like if you have, this is where the stove is. I'm in the stove spot right here. So you want to have like this a level across from one counter to the next, right? Because you're gonna tile like above the counter there. So I'm actually gonna have the stone coming up to here, but I want to tile down to here behind that stove, just level with the countertop. So anyway, both these counters were level, so I just threw a level over the top, cut a board the width of it, which was 30 inches, and then with these bar clamps, I just went ahead and held them to the level, and then just secure them into the wall, making it like perfectly level. So there's a tip there. I don't know if that helps. Anyway, also their countertops, you want to protect your countertops, so like heavy paper, which can be bought at stores, and then just taping the stuff down. Having cute babies too. Okay. Alright, so what we're gonna do is pull this microwave, and then we'll have the rest of the wall like exposed. Okay, bye.